Good morning, children. So today let's start chapter 3, Grow Your Own Plant. This chapter we have already left in between, but today we will complete this chapter. The reading of this we are going to start. A Secret Life. Dada walked into the room with a merry twinkle in his eyes. He held out his closed fist. Guess what I have in here? Now, children, this is a small story. As you know, all the stories are having the same character, Minnie and Apu. And now Dada is also joining in this story. The starting, Dada walked into the room. Now Minnie and Apu are sitting in that room and Dada walked in with a merry twinkle in his eyes. He was having a very bright smile and he held out his closed fist. What is the meaning of fist, children? This is called fist. Fist means holding something in your closed hand. Guess what I have in here? Now Dadaji is saying, okay children, Apu and Minnie, guess what I am having in my hand? A caterpillar, cried Apu. Don't be silly, Minnie said. The caterpillar would die if he held it so tight. Oh Dada, give us a clue. Now, Apu was suddenly saying, you must be having a caterpillar. But what Minnie told? Don't be silly, Apu. It can't be a caterpillar because if Dadaji is holding a caterpillar in his hand, he would have died. Now, well, it's a living like a caterpillar, said Dada. Now the Dadaji is giving a clue. A hint he is giving that guess, it's a living thing like a caterpillar. And what else hint he is giving you? He is giving a riddle. It's hard and round but not a stone, for in the ground it grows on its own. Water with a pail and it sprouts a tail, then shoots up high for it's alive. Now Dadaji is giving us a riddle that you have to guess what actually he is having in his fist. Okay, can you guess, children, what is it? What is it? Yes, it is a seed. A seed, because a seed is a living thing. It is hard and round, but it is not a stone. For in the ground it grows on its own. You know, children, the seed when it is put in the ground, it will grow and give rise to a new plant. Water with the pail and it sprouts a tail. What comes first when it sprouts? The root comes first, then shoots up high for it's alive. First the tail or the root is coming, then the shoot part is coming. Okay? I know, shouted Minnie and Apu together. It is a... Yes, it is a seed. So coming to the next part. See in this picture, Minnie and Apu, they are sowing some seeds and they are using different pots for different grains. Okay, so first they have written the name on the pot also. So the first one is, they have written moong. In the second pot they have written chana. In the third pot they have written ragi. See, so you will be also doing this activity and you will be also planting two seeds everyone, and you will do the observation how the baby plant is growing. Till then we'll do the further reading. A plant is born. How a new plant is growing. Seeds in your kitchen. Now first of all, when you are talking about growing any plant, okay, so what comes in your mind? How new plant is grown. A new plant is grown with the help of a seed. Okay, so do you know, children, that many of the seeds are in your kitchen only. Okay, you can find many seeds which you can grow and observe at home only. You will find them in the kitchen. Look for different kinds of grains in your kitchen. Learn to recognize. Okay, you can ask your mama. She will tell you about different types of the grains. Rice. You all know what is rice. Wheat. Ragi, jowar, bajra. All these grains you will find in the kitchen only. Tur. All these are the pulses. Tur, urad, moong, masoor, groundnut. Mustard, cumin. Cumin is also called jeera. Methi, coriander. Coriander is also called as dhania. Tamarind. What is tamarind? इमली को हम tamarind बोलते हैं. Okay. So all these grains, whether they are cereals or whether they are pulses or whether they are other grains, you will find them in the kitchen. Plant a seed. Now this activity, as I have already told you, that you will be also doing, everyone will do. So how we are going to do that? We will be showing you one video also, which will tell you how we can grow one seed in a small plant, in a small pot at home only. With your friends, plant a little of each kind of grain in empty boxes or small pots filled with mud. Water your seeds regularly. Watch the plants grow. Now what you have to take? You have to take 2 types of seed, each of you. One should be cereal, another should be a pulse. And you have to use 2 different pots where you will plant those grains. Try planting different dals, grains of rice, sago. Do they sprout? Make your own guess why they did not sprout. Now this is the observation which you have to do. Okay, you have to plant different dals. You can moong, masoor. You have many types of dal in the kitchen, or the grains of the rice or sago. Children, do you know what is sago? You must have heard about sabudana. Okay, Mama used to cook sabudana, so that is sago. Okay. Do they sprout? Now you can try different types of the grains also. Okay, for your experience you can try different grains, and you can find out that whether they are sprouting, whether they are growing into a new plant or not. Watch closely. Now which of the seeds sprouted first? Did you see the tiny roots going into the soil? Which plants grew the tallest? Describe the colors and the shapes of the leaves of different plants. Watch your small plant grow bigger. After some time, it may need more space to grow. You will have to put it in a bigger pot or in the ground. Now children, when you are growing this plant, when you are sowing the seeds, you will observe all these things. Now you won't be able to tell that how long it will grow, how much time it will take to sprout. But when you are sowing the seeds, you have to observe and you have to keep a record that after how long it started sprouting. Okay, children, you have one page in your workbook also where you have to keep the records of everything. You need to draw also. Every day you will have to draw that what growth have you seen in your baby plant. Next, now coming to the summary of this chapter, remember this, the summary, how we are going to summarize how plants grow. Plants grow from seeds. As you all know, I have told you that every plant will grow from a seed. When the weather is wet and warm, seeds sprout and plants grow well. Nowadays the rainy season is there, the weather is wet and it is also warm. So you can get a good new plant. The sprouts, the seeds will be sprouted very easily. Okay, so you can try sowing the seeds. Some plants live for less than a year, others live for many years. Children, there are some trees which live for 100 years. Okay, when you are sowing, that plant can be a tree, then can grow into a tree also. Okay, and that can live for many years. But there are some plants which will grow for very less time. Only some plants become trees. Plants take many years to become trees. Okay, it's not that it will become tree within a month, within a few months, or within a year. It will take many years to become a tree. Some trees around you may be older than your parents or grandparents. Of course, yes. You will find some trees around you which are very old. When your grandparents were there, at that time also you will find those trees. You have seen how many new plants and animals appear in the rainy season. Some of these plants may, after many years, grow into the trees. Okay, so now these days when there is rainy season, you will find oftenly the rain and small plants are growing on their own. You must have observed. Okay, but not every plant will grow into a tree. Why, children? Because if you have so many plants in one area, they need more space so that they can become a big plant. So when they are not having any proper space, so all plants will not grow into a tree. Some may die. Okay, only few will survive and they become a tree. We grow plants. Different kinds of the plants are grown by the farmers in the fields. Most of our food comes from plants that farmers grow. Yes. So when we are growing the plant, we are getting most of our food from the plants only. And farmers, they grow whole variety of the plants. Okay. So this is all for the reading of this chapter. Children, it will be good if you go for a reading and revise the whole part. Thank you. Have a nice day.